I have now officially joined the Wolf Pack by ordering this body scrub that worked really well. Big props to the how to use it instructions that made me laugh when step 1 read, and I quote, "Use 2-3 times a week, don't argue, just trust us." I like that the product does come sealed, making it both sanitary and fresh to use. The scrub had a good texture and I could feel the ingredients, but it did not have an Arctic Air scent as promoted. It had no scent at all. I used it in the shower and it feels like it worked well exfoliating my skin. And I'm happy with that. As long as this body scrub continues to work the way it has worked, I'm pleased with this product. My only request for this product is to get that Arctic Air scent going. Based on my experience and skin results, I recommend this excellent value scrub for the money. Therefore, I rate this product 5 out of 5 stars.